Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 Pro and let me share with you how to change wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, let me go back, and here we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now we have to tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. Here we've got kinetic wallpapers, live wallpapers, which are animated ones, or static wallpapers. You can simply tap on download more and choose something from the from online wallpapers. As you can see, you've got plenty of beautiful options to choose from. So let me choose something from the downloaded ones, for example this one. Let's tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both. You can also crop wallpaper, but let me choose both option. Let me go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.